Hi guys, welcome back to K Podcast. I'm Sadiksha Agrawal from Kanavati University, studying management over here. Today we have Ria Support with us, who is not just a model, but someone who carries herself in a different way, in a very different way, and something that tells us a story every time in a very different way. So let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi Ria. So we have seen you in a lot of reality shows. And we have seen you in India's Next Top Model, Ace of Space, and we all were very inspired by you. So, can you just give a brief information about how the show was? How did you face all of it and everything?
All right. So I did 2 shows. First, India's Next Top Model, which is very close to my heart because it gave me the identity from no one to someone. So all my credit goes to India's Next Top Model.
Yeah.
And so India's Next Top Model is not a reality show, first of all, because it is based on how you perform. It's totally modeling show.
Yeah.
If you are not going to perform, they are not going to make you, like, they are not going to make you win, right?
Yeah, definitely.
What is reality show, which I did, was Ace of Space. जब आप 24 घंटे कैमरा के सामने होते हो, that is reality show.
Yeah.
In India's Next Top Model, if you have seen, of course, तो आपने देखा होगा कि वहाँ पे कैमरास नहीं थे. मैं घर में क्या कर रही हूँ वो आप लोगों को नहीं पता था, राइट? सो दैट इज नॉट अ रियलिटी शो. जब हम स्टेज पे आते थे आप लोगों ने उतना ही देखा था. सो इवन इफ यू आर जजेस फेवरेट, if you are not going to perform, they are not going to make you win, right?
Yeah.
So yes, so this is the difference between modeling show and the reality show.
Yes. So how was your experience during it? Like in Ace of Space, how was it? And how was it different from, India's Next Top Model?
So India's Next Top Model happened in 2017.
Yeah.
So I was completely new in the industry. I did not know nothing. Like, I know nothing कि क्या है, कैसे करना है. मुझे खड़े रहना भी नहीं आता था. And मेरे पास, of course, I came from a very lower middle class family. My father is a tailor. My mother is, she still does the private job.
Yeah.
So मुझे वो exposure नहीं था. कपड़े कैसे पहनने हैं, अपना style statement कैसे करना है. Of course, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे मॉडल्स, जो अभी मॉडल्स हैं, वहाँ पे जो कंटेस्टेंट थे, वो सब हाई एंड फैशन पूरा बैग भर के लेके आए थे. और मेरे पास कुछ कपड़े ही नहीं थे. मतलब गिन के मैं 5-10 जोड़ी कपड़े लेके गई थी वहाँ पे. एंड आई सेड आई न्यू नथिंग. और एस ऑफ स्पेस मैंने 1 साल बाद किया, 2018 दिसंबर. सो देन आई हैड little bit of sense कि हाँ ऐसे स्टाइल करना है, ये करना, because then I was already India's top model.
Yeah.
So yeah, I had knowledge. And then अगर आप देखोगे India's Next Top Model, Ace of Space, it's a
different.
Yeah, it's a huge difference. क्योंकि तब मैं कुछ भी नहीं थी. पूरी मेरा जो अपीयरेंस था उस हिसाब से उन्होंने मुझे चूज किया था India's Next Top Model में. मेरे जैसे अभी मेरे बाल हैं, तब मेरे बहुत लंबे बाल थे, जेट ब्लैक हेयर. मेरा स्किन इतना नीट एंड क्लीन था, अभी भी है. एंड मोर ओवर कि मैं फ्रेश थी. मतलब मुझे कुछ भी नॉलेज नहीं था. सो दैट क्वालिटी दे लाइक्ड कि वो जो बहुत रॉ ब्यूटी, रॉ, आपको कुछ आता नहीं है. एंड देन दे यू. यस. एंड my judges, they were fantastic. Malaika ma'am, Milind Soman sir, Gava sir, Anusha, Dabu sir. Everyone was so supportive to each contestant. वो इतना अच्छे से सिखाते थे आपको खड़े कैसे रहना है, posture में खड़े कैसे रहना है. So those all things, they helped me a lot. Even if I'm standing in a meeting, or even if I'm talking to you, even if I'm talking to a normal person, that helped me a lot. कैसे बैठना है, कैसे बात करनी है. मैंने एक चीज़ मलाइका मैम से सीखी थी कि जब मेरा उनके साथ शूट था, टॉप 5 कंटेस्ट, मतलब that lady knows how to put her hand also. She knows उनकी फिंगर कहाँ पे क्या कर रही है. That thing I learned from her कि आपका एक एक बॉडी पार्ट आपको पता होना चाहिए क्या कर रहा है. Of course, India's Next Top Model taught me many things.
Definitely. It
Yes.
was your first show.
Yes, and Ace of Space, आपने मुझे पूछा स्क्रिप्टेड होता है या
या
नहीं, ये सब तो आई वुड से स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं होता, बट यस मैं बहुत सीधी सादी हूँ, मैं कैमरा देख के पागलपन नहीं कर सकती। तो वो लोग सिर्फ आपको कहने आते हैं कि बेटा हम आपको टीवी पे दिखा नहीं रहे हैं क्योंकि आप कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो, आप हम
Really?
आप हमें कंटेंट नहीं दे रहे हो। तो पहले 2 हफ्ते अगर आपने देखा होगा, मैंने तो एक भी एपिसोड नहीं देखा है क्योंकि बिकॉज आई सर्वाइव देयर फॉर 45 days
Yeah.
एंड आफ्टर दैट इट वाज सच अ काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग थिंग कि आप एक छोटे से कमरे में बंद हो, सब लड़ रहे हैं, ऊपर से टीवी का प्रेशर, आपको हारना नहीं है, ये सब प्रेशर। तो इट वाज वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग थिंग।
Yeah. Definitely.
यस, तो तब ना एक बहुत अलग आप अपने आप को ही बहुत अलग से एक्सपीरियंस करते हो कि अच्छा ये मैं।
Yeah.
तो मैंने तो एक भी एपिसोड देखे ही नहीं थे क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मैं 45 डेज इतना करके आई थी, अब बाहर आके मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं थी देखने में। सो या दे केम टू मी 2 weeks एंड देन दे सेड वी आर नॉट शोइंग यू ऑन टीवी। आई सेड व्हाई? सो देन दे सेड कि आप कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो,
Oh my.
ये रूम में ये चल रहा है, ये रूम में ये चल रहा है, ये रूम में ये चल रहा है। एंड आई सेड क्या करूं मैं
Like,
मैं बंदर बन के नाच नहीं सकती कैमरा से।
yeah.
सो दैट वाज द थिंग। तो मैं 45 डेज तक सर्वाइव रही। स्टिल मुझे बहुत लोगों का प्यार मिला, अलग अलग कंट्री से मुझे इतने मैसेजेस आए दैट आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल फॉर इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल इन एस ऑफ स्पेस। इट टॉट मी एवरीथिंग। एस ऑफ स्पेस ने मुझे सिखाया कि पेशेंस कैसे रखना है,
Definitely.
दिमाग शांत कैसे रखना है ऐसी सिचुएशन में। सो आई एंजॉय।
Next question, that did you learn patience over there? Because
ऑफ कोर्स मैं वही बोल रही ना कि आपका अगर आप टास्क हारे, आपका रूम और छोटा होगा।
yeah, how
उसमें फर्नीचर है, 4 लोग हैं अलग अलग जगह से आए हुए। आपको अगर वो नहीं पसंद तो भी आपको उनको रोज उठ के देखना है।
just like college life.
Yeah.
And you don't want it, you have to see that. And like when you did all these shows and when you won your first show, life must have changed for you completely. Like
Of course.
in 360 degree, like people who won't even believed in you in the first stage, now they would be like, oh, we believed in you, we were there for you from the day one. So how did you took all that?
Yeah, so I'm still getting messages from Gujarat people, many messages from Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, everywhere that you are an inspiration. क्योंकि जैसा आपने कहा कि गुजराती फैमिलीज आर
Conservative.
लिटिल कंजर्वेटिव, यस। तो आई एम लकी इनफ कि मेरे पेरेंट्स इतने सपोर्टिव है, उस टाइम पे भी थे। मुझे लकीली मुझे उनको कन्विंस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी,
Yeah.
आई स्वेयर। क्योंकि
That's something which is really difficult. Like right now also, if I talk about my college only, I have a lot of friends who are like still in the thought process that, yeah, when we are done with BBA, we'll get married only.
yeah,
And I'm like, will you not tell them that you want to do MBA or that you want to go ahead in your studies? They're like, they're not going to allow, so we don't even want to fight now.
yeah,
Like-
definitely. So मैं यही कहती हूँ कि my father, he said when I said I saw India's Next Top Model season 2.
Yeah.
So then I said this show can make my life. I had that in
Yeah.
mind. And my father, my mom, we saw the show together, season 2.
Yeah.
And then my father said कि आप masters complete करो, then you pursue your career, whatever you want to do. But at least you have a degree.
Degree, yeah.
Yeah, तो अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ, so you have a backup plan,
Yeah,
right? So I completed my masters, and then I went to Bombay, and in 2 months I got the message for India's Next Top Model. I saw the page, Instagram page,
Yeah.
where I saw India's Next Top Models entries are open.
Oh,
So I applied my no makeup pictures, like phone से खींचे थे घर पे ही पोनी करके, कुछ भी मेकअप नहीं, मतलब अगर आपको पिंपल है वो भी उनको दिखना चाहिए। It was
that's wrong.
that raw. तो वो मैंने फोटो खींचे और मैंने भेजे उनको और सब कुछ हो गया। So then the first round was bikini round.
Okay.
And of course I come from my family background, this thing. और वही कि माँ बाप भले कितने सपोर्टिव हो, पर जो रिश्तेदार होते हैं ना,
Yeah.
वो उनको मतलब हावी हो जाते हैं।
Yeah.
तो फर्स्ट राउंड वाज बिकिनी राउंड। मैं पहुंच तो गई। अब जब बिकिनी राउंड आया, मेरी फट रही थी, ये टीवी पे आएगा।
क्या बताएंगे?
एंड देन मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि यार अभी मम्मा डैडी क्या करेंगे। तो हमने साथ में शो देखा था, पर वो दिमाग में नहीं था। हमने साथ में बिकिनी राउंड भी देखा है, पर हमको वो दिमाग में नहीं था कि ये होगा। तो जब मैं स्टेज पे जा रही हूँ, मैं ऐसे ऐसे कर रही हूँ, मैंने कहा अरे ये तो आएगा टीवी। एंड व्हेन आई वॉक्ड, मेरे दिमाग में कुछ रहा ही नहीं, मतलब वो क्वेश्चन आया ही नहीं। मैं इतनी खुश थी उस टाइम पे कि मैं टीवी पे आऊंगी, और मैंने जो शो देखा था अब मैं वो शो पे आऊंगी। सो आई वाज सो हैप्पी दैट टाइम। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, जब वो शो खत्म, हमारे पास फ़ोन नहीं थे 25 डेज, या फ़ोन सब कुछ ले लिया था। पर जब मैं जीती उसके बाद भी मैंने डैडी को कॉल किया, उन्होंने एक भी चीज़ मुझे नहीं बोली कि ये तूने क्या किया, अब हम क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे ये सबको। ये नॉट इवन माई मॉम, नॉट इवन माई डैड। सो मुझे ना वो प्रेशर या वैसा कुछ मिला ही नहीं घर वालों से कि आप इतने छोटी फैमिली से आ रहे हो और आपको जवाब देना है, छुप छुप के चीज़ें करनी है। तो मुझे बहुत दुख होता है ये जो मैसेजेस आते हैं लड़कियों के, बोलते हमारे मम्मी पापा सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं। सो मुझे बहुत दुख होता है कि, और मुझे सेम टाइम होता है कि आई एम सो लकी कि मेरे मम्मा डैडी है।
Obviously, I feel like to have these kind of supportive parents is genuinely a blessing.
Yes, definitely. I totally agree.
So, what would you like to, there are people out there who are not really confident about themselves or about their body, about their maybe body shape, body color. How would you like to, give them a small kind of a message, I guess? Or, what would, like, if they want to go and they're just having this thought that, are we good enough? That thought, how to break that thought?
All right, so I would say always and always believe in yourself. Of course, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि आप मम्मा डैडी से अगेंस्ट जाके कुछ करो, but it is your responsibility to make them understand about your dream. And this is one life you got.
Yeah.
One life. So you have to pursue and achieve whatever you want and whatever you dream about.
Yeah.
सो कॉन्फिडेंट की बात यही है कि अगर आप छोटे हैं बड़े हैं, जैसे मेरी बात करो तो उस टाइम पे तो सब स्किनी मॉडल्स का ही ज़माना था। मतलब कि आप पतले होने चाहिए, पर अभी जनरेशन टू जनरेशन अभी आइडियाज़ चेंज हुए हैं, इंडस्ट्री चेंज हुई है। तो अभी आप देखते हो कि कर्वी मॉडल्स भी इंट्रोड्यूस हुई। आप देखोगे लैक्मे फैशन में, FTCI में, दे take plus size model also. They take, I still remember, I forgot the name of the model, but I think she's just 5, 2 and 3 and she's just hitting the runway like no one. So it is all how you believe in yourself, because अगर हम हमारे में बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, हम दूसरे को कैसे बिलीव करवा पाएंगे कि हम में कुछ बात है. So that's all, just believe in yourself.
And how do you think that industry has changed, like modeling industry? Back in 2017 or 2018, the industry was still confined to some things, I feel like. But now the modeling industry or the whole, industry of fashion has exposed itself into something which is really nice and which it should have been from the start. So how do you think it is different from how it was earlier?
All right. So then social media was not that much expanded.
Yeah.
Now we have social media game.
Yeah.
Like
PR.
पहले हमको चाहिए था कि कैमरा चाहिए. Now you don't need camera. Honestly, your phone is doing everything for you. The social media game has to be strong enough. So I feel तब इतना exposure नहीं था.
Yeah.
मुझे बहुत struggle करना पड़ता था कि मैं कहीं पे जाऊँ, अपने आप को
Photos
दिखाऊँ कि I am in the market.
Yeah.
But now, even if it is so easy to approach the agencies,
yeah,
it is so easy to approach casting directors कि आपने एक मेल डाला या फिर आपने Instagram पे उनको मैसेज किया and they respond, they actually respond.
Yeah.
और तब जो शुरुआत थी, इतना नहीं exposure था. So this is the difference I definitely feel then and.
Yeah, because I feel like back then, industry was so confined to the models that they are picking up. I feel like only these kind of models is what we are looking for.
Yes. And now there are skinny models, there are thin, there are curvy, they are short, they are tall. Everything and everyone will get work.
So is there something, let's get into a little personal things. So, what are the things that people have not seen on social media, but you still love to do and is kind of your hobby?
Okay, so I think people have seen it, my cooking dishes on social media.
Yeah.
And I love food. People think that I don't eat because of seeing my figure, but I eat a lot. I'm a Gujarati, typical Gujarati. I eat everything, dokla, fafda, thepla, everything. So, and I have that talent also कि मुझे खाना पसंद है, तो मुझे बनाना भी बहुत पसंद है. I don't have a cook in my house. I cook for myself.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, like, what do you know in cooking?
Everything, every cuisine, everything. I cook.
Which is your favorite?
Of course, Gujarati, yes.
As expected.
Yes. I love khichdi, ghee wali. Kadi khichdi.
Okay, so let's get into a rapid fire round.
All right.
Okay, I'll ask you a question. I'll give you this or that. Okay, you choose into it and then give an answer for it. But be quick, okay?
All right.
Done. So, ramp walk or a photo shoot?
Ramp walk.
Why?
Because it's a quick job and I like to flaunt myself. Like, so I love it.
Okay.
Quick doing job.
Heels or sneakers?
Sneakers, definitely, because every time I'm on my heels, so sneaker gives me relaxation.
Okay. So even if like it's very comfortable thing that you wanna go for, every time that you go out, heels or sneakers, what would you prefer?
It depends. If I'm going out for my events and stuff, even if I don't want to wear heels, I have to wear heels because it's kind of a unsaid rule that you have to be presentable wherever you go. But the moment my event finishes, I just put them out and I
choose.
Yeah, I get on my shoes.
Okay. Early call time or a late night shoot?
Late night shoot.
Compliment from a stranger or someone you know?
Someone I know.
Okay. If you weren't a model, what do you be doing right now?
Government job, definitely.
What government job?
Maybe in banking sector, because my mother, she wanted me to go for
that
any secure job.
Yeah,
because all my maternal family, they all are into government jobs.
Wow.
My nana was judge, one was principal, my granny was in banking, my mama is a manager, so my mother wanted
come back from that. Okay, so that's all for the rapid round. But I think let's just talk about something which still we have not talked about. So how do you think that now that Navratri is coming around, what would be your styling tips for the people out there or for the students or the girls out there? What would you say that what would be your go-to style for Navratri?
Go-to style is definitely typical chaniya choli. I just don't like people wear jeans and that choli wala blouse and all. I definitely, I would go for like typical chaniya choli. Matlab I still remember my father used to stitch for me and मैं उसमें सब डेकोरेशन करती थी 1 महीने तक. और मैं वो घाघरा पहनती थी और चनिया चोली में पूरा माथा वाथा उड़ के पूरा मैं जाती थी. I so love गरबा. Navratri is my favorite festival. It's a Tomorrowland for Gujarati. Yeah.
So that, you have been a model and now you're teaching people how to pose, how to model. How does it feel?
I feel amazing because I see young people, they don't have that much knowledge about modeling, how to pick a right size of shoes or right size of heels. It has to be the comfortable heels, right? So these are small things which I feel कि उनको कोई बताता नहीं है, वो सिर्फ फैंसी चीज़ देख के ले लेते हैं. और मेरा ऐसा है कि जो मेरे टाइम पे 2017-16 पे I didn't get any classes. So I feel कि अगर किसी को चांस मिलता है तो उसको अपना पूरा नॉलेज दो ताकि वो कुछ कर पाए सही तरीके से.
Yeah. Okay. So now that there are students out there who want to pursue like modeling and designing, and what would be one thing that you as a model would suggest them that like if a student is going into designing, what should be their way of, going ahead in the field, or how should they approach the designers, how difficult it is to get into the industry, because we all know that it is very difficult to get into this industry because there are a lot of competitors now.
Yes.
So how can a person just get into it, and like how can it be a field for them?
Okay, so for designing students, I would say if you have seen Nancy Tyagi,
Yeah.
राइट वो खुद ही सब करते हैं और खुद ही उन्होंने लाइक आई सेड यू हैव टू हैव योर सोशल मीडिया गेम एट द पॉइंट तो आप सिर्फ करते जाए व्हेन यू हैव दैट राइट टाइम यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग सो इट्स ऑल कि आपको पहले मैंने बोला कि आपको हर दरवाजे पे पहले जाना पड़ता था नाउ इट इज़ ऑल ऑन सोशल मीडिया सो यू जस्ट मेक योर राइट कंटेंट and people will see it, people will love it, and then they will come to you samne se.
Definitely. And what would be your advice, or maybe, if you had a 30 seconds, just a small, what do we say? Just a pointer that if you're going into this field, you can have this. Just like an advice to the people out there, because most of our listeners are students. And what would be your advice to them?
Okay, so my advice to the students would be complete your study first and then you pursue your dream, whatever it is. And just be confident, believe in yourselves, and बस पूरा आसमान है आपके लिए